Hello, guys. Mm, Can you listen? Can you hear me? Let me. Hi, can you hear me clearly? Nabil Nazri Muhammad. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we just wait for others first. And yeah, you cannot copy and paste the webinar ID. You have to write one by one. Get it? Thank you. Yes, teacher, I can hear you clearly. How about this one? Yes, and loud. Okay. Okay. All right. And for your information that this is my last webinar, and I hope you're okay with that. Let me see. Uh, okay, we wait for our friends to come in. Yes, the webinar will be recorded, as I mentioned before. Yes, it is the last webinar because okay, all right, so I'm going to start now, but before that, as usual, I'd like to simplify. I like to make my webinar short, and as you can see from my previous videos, everything is short and simple. So actually, it depends on the questions, on your questions, and yeah. So let's get started. Um, okay. One, two. Okay, so I'm going to show you about the danger zone and roadblocks. So I'm going to start with danger zone first. Um, when I mention danger zone, it means it is a major supply or a major demand. If you if you learn supply and demand, you will understand. Okay, I'm going to show you in here. Okay. Everything with a big rally-based drop or drop-based rally, I consider it is a danger zone. Okay, for example, that this is SNRC1. This is SNRC1 setup in RC1. Okay, for example, that this is SNRC1 setup, and you have to make sure that this setup doesn't touch the danger zone yet. Okay, for example, price make um, a strong resistance and then price make a rally base rally. This rally base rally doesn't touch danger zone yet. Okay, so please be careful. So anything with a major supply, major demand, or a very, very huge rally base drop or drop base rally, I consider that is a danger zone. Okay, I know you guys quite confused. It's okay. I'll show you And what happened here? Sorry. Okay, so this is GBP/JPY last week. This week, yeah, it happened this week. I saw a QMC setup in the middle of the trend, and before that, I have to make sure, does this QMC really touch the danger zone? So I will mark the danger zone. You see, we have rally, base, drop. Anything with rally, base, drop considered a very, very huge supply zone. Okay. All right. So, and I found out that this setup that I'm going to entry doesn't touch the doesn't touch the danger zone yet. Okay, so I have a little bit balls too to buy in this QMC setup. Actually, this is QMC in H1. Yeah, and then after that, you see the price reacted, and this is my first TP. And we also can consider a danger zone as the second TP, but um, I I do a single entry. I didn't layer or take a two position. Yeah. So this is danger zone, and danger zone also considered as a very major supply or major demand zone. Okay. So now I'm going to show you after I TP on the danger zone where exactly. Okay. And you see here, the price now reach danger zone. So if you guys keep buying in this danger zone, you guys will die. Okay. And some traders when they see, oh, there's a lot of bullish, and then the price will keep on bullish. And after that, the price didn't. The price reacted from the danger zone. Okay, and continue fall. Okay, so if you keep buying, maybe you will get a less profit. And if you're buying from this area, you will lose. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, so um, so far, wait, let me see. So far clear? Guys, can you please ask question in the pop notes because the question answer box is so tiny, so I cannot read it. Yeah. So any answer because before I continue. Mm, all clear. Okay, cool. Yes, if you go to the pop notes, danger zone is something like the end of the trend. Yeah, if I mention end of the trend, you guys maybe have a little bit confused. That's why I mentioned it as a supply or major demand zone. Yeah, you guys must have basic supply and demand zone first before you want to proceed with danger zone. Okay, so I'm going to show you another one. Wait, eh, sorry. Um, okay, I'm going to show you another one. Wait, don't ask many quick guys. Don't ask many questions yet. Don't relax. Okay, so anything with rally-based drop is considered as a danger zone. Yeah, I like to mark like this, mark like this, mark like this. This is rally-based drop, rally-based drop. This is drop-based rally, drop-based rally. Okay, drop-based rally. This is considered as danger zone. Okay, wait. Now I show you there was a setup. This is a SNRC1 setup. right? This is SNRC1. We have strong resistance and we have rally base rally. Okay, and then we can see that this price, when price making, what is it called, higher high, it doesn't touch the danger zone yet. If price touch danger zone, I mean, like it's very high risk for us to buy in here. So we make sure that the price doesn't touch danger zone yet. So you can see the price came back, return to this setup and continue buying. But as I always say, that I consider it as danger zone as a TP2. Okay, so for SNRC1, I always say that the TP1 for SNRC1 is the previous high, almost same as QM reversal. Okay, the TP1 for QM reversal is previous lower low or previous higher high. Okay, and what else? This is also a danger zone. And if you see any setup that touch danger zone, please, I don't want to say it's invalid. I don't want to say that it's not good. No, I just want to say that it's high risk. Okay, we are here to protect our equity. So please be careful. And so far, you guys understand. This is actually the continual part of hidden confirmation because this, I say before, if price, if you cannot find engulfing in higher time frame, you can find a price didn't touch the danger zone yet. So that is another confirmation. It's called hidden confirmation because not all price, sometimes price with engulfing in higher time frame also price didn't respect. So please check. Does this price really touch danger zone or not? Okay, so I'm going to continue with roadblock. Um, Yes, huge rally base drop. Do you mean big rally and big demand, or can be one of them? Just big rally? What? No, it's not big rally. It's big rally base drop. This is very huge rally base drop. This is also rally base drop. Okay, but I want the bigger, or we call it a bigger supply zone. This is supply zone. Okay. Okay. Wait, guys, don't ask question yet. Yeah. Um. Muhammad, let me answer you later. Okay, so next I'm going to apa ya? Ako na cakap. Okay, roadblock. Um, roadblock. Okay, so this is the example of roadblock. We have danger zone here. Okay, I think I have to write down lah. The danger zone. Okay, and at the same time, we see another setup in here, and we call it as a roadblock because why? Wait. Okay. For example, that we can see a reversal buying, and for example, you can see that this is SNRC1 setup, or maybe QM reversal, or maybe SNRC2, whatever. But it might have a little bit heart attack because we found roadblock in here. We were thinking that, oh, maybe this price going to react to this SNRC1. So, you're supposed to get 100 pips in here, but you got no peaceful thing, peaceful mind to get your 100 pips in here instead of this. So, roadblock is very disturbing, but I'm going to show you the example how it looks like. Okay, so this is the roadblock. Okay, this is QM reversal. We have low, high, lower low, higher high. Alamak, sorry. I forgot to draw the roadblock punya. Hindi. Okay. So this is SNRC1 and this is QM reversal. I think I have put it um in my IG. I forgot. Okay, so we see this is low, high, lower, low, higher, high, and then we try to buy here. We start buy here, and then um, and when you start buying here, you found out that this is SNRC1 setup. So this is considered roadblock, the first roadblock. And then like you're supposed to get 60 pips, but you start shaking and maybe you will cut your profit here because you think that the price going to react in here. So this is kind of roadblock, and then the price break this roadblock, didn't respect this roadblock, and we have another roadblock that is QM reversal sell. We have high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Okay, so um, there's another obstacles for you. So what, guys, don't ask question yet. Wait. Okay, and then you have to see where the price react first. If price react from QM reversal buy, then you start buying. Okay, if you see that if the price react from the QM reversal sell, then you can start sell. But you can see the beautiful confirmation in here. It's very, very clear. You have engulfing candle in here. Okay, so now go back. And at the same time, it's a bonus. This price, this higher high, doesn't touch the danger zone yet. Okay, this price doesn't touch the danger zone yet. If the price touch the danger zone, if the price already touched this danger zone and then price came back, I think it's very high risk for you to keep on buying in this QM reversal. But lucky this price didn't touch this danger zone yet. Okay, so this is obstacle, this is obstacle. So this is roadblock and this is also roadblock. Roadblock is I dedicate as a setup as a roadblock. Okay, so I hope you clear. Any question, guys? So far you understand? Mm, yes, can we see the H4 chart? Yeah, you see? Beautiful, isn't it? We have engulfing candle. Very clear. As I always say, it's all about multi-time frame analysis. Okay. Once you see a setup, you have to make sure that it doesn't touch the danger zone yet. This I have mentioned in the hidden confirmation previous week. You cannot, disturbing your mind like, oh, where's the danger zone? Where's the danger zone? No, you cannot be so in details with it. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to um look for the question. Mm, wait, let me read one by one. What is Sulaiman? Oh, so once it touched danger zone, we only look for sell and buy. No, one it one no. Um, I don't recommend you to sell from the danger zone. Okay, for this example, this is danger zone, and you can see the price really react to this danger zone. But I do not recommend. You can sell, but it's not recommended. I don't recommend to sell in here even the price keep falling. Okay, it's a high risk setup. If you want to keep on selling, it's up to you. But for me, if I see these chances, I'm not going to take it. Okay, and so a danger zone is the start of the former trend. Yes, yes. Or or please refer to the pop notes. I have mentioned it there. Will there be a case that it surpassed danger zone? Yes, yes, it is. So danger zone can be any supply and demand zone in any time frame. Yeah, yeah. Like this is H1. So I look the danger zone in H1 also. Like what happened in GBP JPY. Um yeah, I saw a setup in GBP JPY, and I also look the danger zone in GBP JPY. Okay? Um, I don't know. Anybody? Okay. So teacher, you said after reversal is best time for continuation setup. Yes, the best recommended entry is if we want to entry more low risk is after reversal happened. Okay, Mohagegi. If our QM reversal cell didn't retest and we have a big drop, still best for continuation. Mohagegi, can you please send me the picture of the example? I don't understand that. What will you do if you enter by near the danger zone? Because danger zone, you go back to the pop notes. There's a beginning of the trend, middle of the trend, end of the trend. So if you see here, I entry at the middle of the trend. So it's medium risk setup. If I entry from here, for example, if there's SNRC2, it might be low risk, but I enter here in the middle of the trend, so it's quite medium risk. Teacher, can price react at the same zone more than twice? Yes, probably, but I do not recommend that. We want a fresh zone. The price didn't touch it yet. Huge rally, huge rally base drop. Huge rally base drop, it means major supply zone. Huge drop base rally, it means that major demand zone. Why just danger zone sell in chart? A lot. Mohagigi. It's a lot. We have buy too? Yeah. I don't understand your question actually. Should we mark the danger zone from higher time frame as well if we use the low time frame setup? I if you see I entry at the H4 and I also look the danger zone in H4. Like this example, um, this is entry in this is setup in H1, and I also look the danger zone in H1. Okay. Any question, guys? Seems that you guys already understand. Teacher, what is the difference between danger zone and roadblock? I think same. Yeah, it's quite same, but roadblock is very unpredictable. So I give you another example. I used to entry in QM reversal before. I think during my compounding. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Um, money. Roadblock doesn't mean a setup also. Roadblock can be formed in engulfing. As you can see here. Yeah, this is my cell. High, low, higher high, lower low. And then the price making bullish engulfing here. And then at the same time, I sell here. And then, this is roadblock. Okay, this is supposed danger zone. We have danger zone here. But, you know, it's kind of disturbing because, bullish engulfing is meant to buy, bearish engulfing is meant to sell. So it's quite frustrated for me. So what did I do? I entry with more than one position. So this is my first TP and this is my second TP. Okay, so that's why don't entry with single entry if you don't want to cry, because sometimes some traders they TP here and then they found out the price keep on selling, so yeah, they get frustrated and regret. Yeah, so that is the roadblock I meant. Roadblock is unpredictable, but danger zone is more predictable. It's more easier than roadblock. Okay, teacher, so we can have buy danger zone and danger sell in one chart and time frame. I was thinking we just have one danger zone like buy or sell. This is danger zone buy. This is danger zone rally, drop based rally. So this is called what is it called? Drop based rally. So this is demand zone. Uh, yeah, more easier. Yeah. Okay, so we have this one. Anything with very clear drop based rally is considered major supply zone. This is this is major demand zone. This is major supply zone. Okay, so this is danger zone, danger zone, danger zone, a lot of danger zone. But you don't bother, don't be too bothered with danger zone stuff. You have to find the setup first, and then you make sure does this setup really, really touch the danger zone yet. You have to go back to the hidden confirmation, like this. Okay, hidden confirmation that this is hybrid. Okay, and then price break, and then price make QM setup, and then what happened? The price came back and continue flying. But you have to make sure this higher high doesn't touch the danger zone. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to delete that. I found out people leaking my videos. Wow. Butong. Okay. What else? Mohagegi, did I answer your question already? So we can have buy danger zone and danger cell in one chart and time frame. I was thinking we just have one danger zone like buy or sell. You have to refer back to the danger zone in pop notes. Uh, yeah. Wait, I give another one example. If we have any more examples. Okay, this is rally base drop. Okay, and don't look for the rally base drop yet. Don't look for danger zone yet. We look for the setup first. Okay, and then we found out, this is QM reversal. Okay, so I'm going to mark it QM reversal. And then when you find QM reversal, you see we got low, high, lower, low, higher, high. And then now we have time. We're going to find the danger zone. This higher high, does it touch the danger zone yet? So this is a very clear rally base drop. So I'm going to color. Okay, wow. So this QM reversal doesn't touch the danger zone yet. So the price came back and continued price. So this is our first TP. Okay, and this is our second TP. Okay. All right. So, Mahagegi, I hope I answered your question. Okay. So, wow. What type of account did I use for EC? Yeah, I use ECN. I use Tickmill and IC Market. But I want to propose Tifia. Who anyone using Tifia? Okay, do you use company? Yes, I use company name. Yes, I do pay government tax. Why do I see people talking about local deposit? This one, I have no comment with it, guys. Okay, how to marking danger zone? Use wick or body candle. Okay, use wick or body candle. I like the body candle more than the wick, but you see, if you don't be too headache of searching wick or body candle, which one, blah blah blah. First, you have to find the setup first. And then at the same time you look for the danger zone. It doesn't matter because when you switch to the higher time frame, it's actually a wick, but you switch to the lower time frame, it's actually a body candle. So you don't bother of marking danger zone. No, marking the setup, yes, it should be selective, but marking the danger zone, you cannot be so selective. Okay, as long as the price doesn't touch the danger zone, yeah, you can entry. Okay, so are they record? Yes, are they record? um okay, how to mark precisely the danger zone? Just mark the shadow. I like to mark the body. Yeah, I like to mark the body. I don't like to mark the shadow, but you know, um it's a long debate because if you switch to H4 it looks like weak, but because I found the setup in H1, so I just follow the danger zone in H1. Okay, so it doesn't matter, don't be headache with danger zone, find the setup first and then you make sure that this setup really touch the danger zone. Yeah, so now we look for the confirmation. See, this is the confirmation, guys. This is bullish engulfing. Okay, it's a bonus. We saw bullish engulfing, and then we saw the price didn't touch danger zone, and then yeah, full margin up lagi. Okay, so it means that we also can use Fantastic Five as a danger zone instead of major SND. No, Fantastic Five is setup, is a setup, but danger zone is the direction, or I call it a place that we should be aware if this one of the Fantastic Five touch it or not, because we cannot, I don't know how to explain. Fantastic Five is not danger zone. Fantastic Five is a setup. Danger zone is the area that we have to be aware of. Okay? This I don't know what's your name. Your name is it Chinese or Japanese? Uh I you have to familiar with major supply and demand first. Then you know. Okay? Don't blame Fantastic Five. Fantastic Five is just a setup for you to entry. And Danger Zone is the place for you to be aware. Okay? And next. Do you pay attention to compression? Oh my God, compression is not in the syllabus of Visra because I'm not good with compression. Okay, next. Uh, WD gain. What do you send me? The GUH1 example you just showed, there was QMR cell and still okay to buy? No, QMR cell, why you have to buy? Oh, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. You mean this one, right? Wow, we have high, low, higher high, lower low. Um, yeah, WD gain. Okay, so we have high, low, higher high, lower low. Let me change to, and then now let's go find the confirmation and daily. In daily, you see this is QMR cell just now. I don't like it. For me, I'm not going to entry. I will be waiting to this daily bullish engulfing. If you want to entry, it's up to you. But for me, I'm not going to entry because there's no a very solid engulfing, a very solid confirmation. Okay, so I'm just going to wait to buy here. Okay, Hans Mustafa. Mustafa. It is danger zone happen by high time frame setup? No, it occurs in every time frame, any time frame. It occurs in any time frame. No worries. Ah, Mohagegi. Strongest key level combination recompounding formula. Guys, I need your help. Can you please report this guy's YouTube account? He's leaking my video. I'm going to send you later. Absolutely. Okay. For confirmation, body engulfing trend line. Trend line is the bonus. Uh, Trend line and confluence is the bonus. For confirmation, you have to go back to hidden confirmation because I said that whether it is engulfing or whether if you cannot find engulfing, you have to check whether does it really touch the danger zone yet. Okay, but the confluence, the trend line is just how to say in Malay, it's called sedapkan mata. It's like a support. I mean, like how to say? It's just a confluence. I don't consider trend lines as confirmation. No. Austin Jazz. Where can I learn confluence? Will you teach a confluence principle? Oh my God. I stopped until CK3, but maybe I will give you a hint because I'm not allowed uh to 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 teach confluence principle because you guys still not good with CK3 or CK2 yet. But I will show you later or soon. Maybe I'll give some hints, the confluence principle. it's quite difficult. How to say? Yeah, it's quite complicated because it needs a lot of confluence and you guys will get headache with it. I myself, I don't really use confluence principle, but it's fun. What you do, brain. What you do if your position against you, cut loss, and I'll take a break or hit your SL. Yeah, I just cut loss and look for any other setup. How to do report? I join. I will send you the link later. When SNRC1 cell setup coming out first, then QMR buy, like in your first example, should we prioritize the? Yes, QM reversal is stronger than SNRC1. SNRC2 is more stronger than SNRC1. QM reversal is more stronger than QMC. Because why? Because QM reversal involves two trends, uptrend and downtrend. But SNRC1 and SNRC2 involve only one-way trend, whether it is uptrend or downtrend. Okay? So, yeah, QMR, QMC, SNRC2. Waiting for our setup to come is killing. How you do it? Any tips? I don't have any tips. All we have to do is just wait. Just wait. This is H1. Oh, I saw QNC. We have QNC. Oh, and look, QNC, and look at H4. It's bullish engulfing. Okay, in H4, it's CLAP. First, second, why am I talking about CLAP right now? Okay, and in the middle of the confluence is engulfing candle and entry at the third trend line. Okay, so can you share how to make journal for learning purposes? You have to go to pop notes journal. What do you mean? Do you always looking for setup after London Open? Is it recommend to look for setup during Asian session? Asian session is Australian dollar and New Zealand and JPY. I don't like them because first the I don't know, based on my experience, their movement is so slow. Um, Maybe because I get used to gold and GBP, so that's why I don't like Asian session. So I more prefer to London session. It means after Asar, after 4 p.m. Yeah, it's better. Hi, Nora. So one should be doing 30 pips stop loss, or it depends, especially on gold. Okay. Especially on gold. My limit is only from 15 to 30 pips stop loss. If the price went more than that, I just uh cut my loss and I will look for any other setup. I'll take a break and look for any other setup. Okay, here is the example. This is SNRC1. We have strong resistance. We have rally-based rally. Okay, so where is my stop loss? So I'm going to mark here. My stop loss is 15 to 30 pips. So this is, yeah, this is 30 pips. So this is my stop loss. Okay, price, if the price break this entry point, I will consider that this price is failed. Just yeah, failed. So I don't like it. Okay, so this is my stop loss. If some traders, they will wait until here, wait until here, until 100 pips. No, it's unhealthy. It's not a good lifestyle for you to trade. No, I don't recommend that. Okay, so my rules is only 15 to 30 pips stop loss, not more than that. Do you know how Mansoor Sapari requirement to do 1000 screenshot? Oh, okay, yeah. Um, it's recommended. Actually, 100 screenshot is enough, but to sharpen your skills is recommend more than that. Like I heard one of my students, he did 3000 journals, 3000 screenshot, one shot. So the more you practice, the more you can find the setup, the more you can see how the market move. Okay? Battery mati. Um, Teacher, you recommend fixed TP like 100 pips? No, I never. No. Okay, for example, right? This is SNRC one. I was like, I'm going to TP to the previous higher high. This is enough. How much I'm going to get? 50 pips. Enough lah. Okay. This is my first TP, the previous higher high. Do you enter more than one position at one time or just focus one pair? Yeah, if there's roadblock, I will entry more than one position because one my TP is on the roadblock, one my TP to the another yeah, another maybe danger zone, something like that. Okay, so but so far, do you guys understand my explanation about danger zone and roadblock? Okay. Yeah. Teacher, if you do the screenshot, do you focus on one pair or more than that? One pair or more than that. More than that, if I do SNRC one, I will look for any kind of time frame, any kind of pair. Then I will combine in one document or in one file, and I put for for me to stare. If I fail, and then I will stare again. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Uh, I think that's all for now. Uh, I saw a lot of setup in Go, but I always miss the bus. I have no idea why. Teacher, when you do journal, did you focus on one setup like SNRC one at a time, or you have learned? Uh, Before, yeah, I look for SNRC one all the time. I will look and then I will collect the setup that already happened and I will screenshot and I will keep inside my laptop. And then I'll go to M5. If there's no M5, I'll go to M15. If I go until H4 daily, and then I will jump into any other pair and I look for another SNRC1, M5, M15, just to practice my eyes. I saw gold have more setup in lower time frame, but currency more on high time frame. Yeah, I noticed that too. That's why I love gold. It, yeah. Teacher, first thing, when you open chart, you find danger zone or setup. I will find setup first. And then after that, I will see does this setup touch danger zone or not. Okay? When teacher want to mix new compounding, I don't want to use my account. I'm going to use your account. Can? I will. Okay, so guys, why you really trust me? Okay, so I think that's all for now. And yeah, thank you for attending the webinar. And all the webinar will be sent or post by tonight or by today, as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.